हरि ओम्। महाम्भोधितीरे महापापचोरे मुनीन्द्रानुकूले सुगन्धाख्यशैले गुहायां वसन्तं स्वभासालसन्तं जनार्तिं हरन्तं श्रयामो गुहं तम्। महाम्भोधितीरे महापापचोरे मुनीन्द्रानुकूले सुगन्धाख्यशैले गुहायां वसन्तं स्वभासालसन्तं जनार्तिं हरन्तं श्रयामः गुहं तम्. This shloka is telling the Mahatmyam of Tirichandur, where Subramanya Swami resides. Mahambodhi Tire. It is on the shores, right? On the shores of Bay of Bengal. So, Mahambodhi Tire, on the shores. Where is it located? The Subramanya Swami temple. On the shores of the Mahasamudra. And how is this place? The place is Mahapapachore. It removes all the Mahapapa. What are the Mahapapa or Mahapataka? They are Brahmahatti, Chauryam, Madhupanam, then desire for another man's wife. And the fifth one is those who have friendship or those who are in connection with these people who have done the above four. Brahmahatti, Chauryam, Madhupanam, or desiring for another. One who has friendship with such people. These five are considered as Mahapapa or Mahapataka. So, what happens when one visits this temple or one surrenders to Subramanya Swami is he removes these papas for them. How does Subramanya Swami remove this for us? Is when we surrender, when we have Nama Smaranam, when we do his Smaranam, when we say his Namavali, when we go to his temple, he slowly removes that Vasana for us. Like Brahmahatti, he gives us Ahimsa. Then Chauryam is there, then Asteyam. Asteyam is non-stealing, not stealing. Madhupanam, Brahmacharyam. He shows us the way or, connects us with the right people for practicing those kind of disciplinary acts. Then Apara Satyam. Satyam is one of it. He puts us in the right path. Once we start his, we surrender to him or we start telling his Namavali, slowly these vasanas, whatever we had, the wrong vasanas of Brahmahatti, Chauryam, Madhupanam, wrong friendship, all this, slowly he removes all that. So visiting this temple, the Kshetra Vishesham is being told here, Tirichandur temple Vishesham. So this temple that is located on the shores of the great Samudra is a place where the Mahapapa is removed when visited. And it is also an Anukulam for the Muni, great sages. Why they have said like it's a favorable place? Anukulam means favorable. Why is it favorable? Because I think in the beginning, Kshetra Vishesham, if we go see the history of it, I think it was in a forest kind of a layout. So it was very convenient, and especially because Samudram is closer, I think it was very convenient for many rishis to perform any sadhanas. So even to this day there will be siddhas. We cannot say no. Nobody can say no to that. So it is a favorable place for Muni sages. Sugandhakhya Shaile. It goes by the name. Shaila again means Parvata, Achala, Adri. All these are Paryayavacha Shabdas. So Shaila is mountain. Parvata. So what is the name? It goes by the name Sugandha. Sugandhamadana Parvata. So such a Kshetra Vishesham that it has, that it is located on the shores of the great Samudram, and it is a place where the Mahapapa is removed, and it is another place where it is favorable. The place is favorable for great sages for their sadhanas. What is the name of this place? It goes by the name Sugandha, Sugandhamadana Parvatam. In such a location, Guhayam Vasantam Swabhasa Lasantam Janartim Harantam Tam Guham Ashrayamaha or Shrayamaha. In such a place that we saw in the first two lines, Subramanya Swami is residing in the caves of this Gandhamadana Parvatam Swabhasa lasantam. He is sporting or moving about here and there in his own kanti. Because of his kanti, the whole place is kantimaya. And how is this guha again? Janartim harantam. Arti means dukkham, depression. That's why we should not keep anybody's name as Arti. Arti means depression, dukkham. So, Subramanya Swami removes the Arti, the dukkham of his bhaktas. Tam guham, to such a guham, ashrayamaha or shrayamaha. We surrender to such a guha, Subramanya Swami, another name of Subramanya Swami, to such a guha who lives in Tiruchendur, Gandhamadana Parvatam, sporting in his own kanti, making the whole place kanti maya. Where does he live? The Kshetra Vishesham, on the shores of the great Samudram, the Bay of Bengal. Mahapapa Chore. How is the Kshetra Vishesham, the Mahatmyam of the Kshetram that removes all the Mahapapa, and it is a place that is favorable to all the sadhakas, and it goes by the name Gandhamadana Parvatam, to such a guha who removes the dukkham of his bhaktas. We surrender. Mahambodhitire mahapapachore munindranukule sugandhakhya shaile guhayam vasantam swabhasalasantam janartim harantam shayamo guhantam. Ram Ram.